Hi, good morning. Today we are going to see about a combination circuits. In that we are going to see about multiplexer. What is multiplexer? Multiplexer is a combination circuit that has maximum of 2 power n data input, n select lines and single output line. One of these data inputs will be connected to the output based on the value of selection lines. We are having a 4 inputs and 2 select lines and we are getting a single output line. This is an example of 4 cross 1 multiplexer. 4 cross 1 in the sense 4 input and single output. 4 has 4 input data I0, I1, I2, I3 and 2 select lines S0, S1 and output is Y. One of the 4 input will be connected to the output based on the combination of input present at the 2 select lines. So 2 select lines, 2 variable means we have 2 power 2, 4 possible combinations for select lines S0 and S1. So 00 means I0 will be transmitted, 01 in the sense I1 will be transmitted, 10 I2 will be transmitted, for 11 I3 will be transmitted. This is the circuit diagram of 4 cross 1 multiplexer. It can be designed by using a simple basic logic gates and OR gates and as inverters. This is an example of 8 cross 1 multiplexer. By combining two 4 cross 1 multiplexer, we can get 8 cross 1 multiplexer. We can have a input of 8 data lines and we are getting output as a single output line by using a 3 select lines. This is the truth table for 8 cross 1 multiplexer. We do not have a input here. We are using a select lines. So for three variable select lines, so we possible combination is 8 S0, S1 and S2. We are having an output of I0 to I7. This is an example of 16 cross 1 multiplexer. It can be designed by combining two 8 cross 1 multiplexer by giving a 4 select lines S0, S1, S2 and S3. This is the truth table for a 16 cross 1 multiplexer. So we are having 4 variables. So we are having so that we can get a 16 possible combinations and output also will be the 16 outputs will be there I0 to I15. The main advantages of multiplexer is it reduces the number of wires required for transmission. It reduces circuit complexity and cost. We can implement many combination circuits using mux. It does not need K-map for implementation. It has a high efficiency in routing multiple input units to a single output, and it has a good optimization to conserve resources such as wires, pins and ICs, and it can be used to implement different logical circuits functions such as or it is flexible and easy to configure according to the requirements and accommodate different data sources, enhancing system versatility. The disadvantages of multiplexer is it has a limited number of data sources. It can be restricted by the number of control lines, which can cause limitation. It can have some delay in signal path, which have the major impact which have impact on performance of the circuit. It can control. It can be a complex, and particularly for bigger multiplexers with a large number of inputs. The multiplexer can consume power compared with the other other logical gates, particularly when they have a large number of input. Applications of these are the major disadvantages. Main applications of multiplexers is multiple sources. We are using a single select. We are having selectors. Based on that we are getting output to the single destination. The main application is data routing, data selection. Data routing in digital system where they can select one of the several data input and reroute it to the output, and data selection where they can select a source according to the select lines, and we can use it to in analog to digital conversion, um, and also we are used it in address decoding, logic function implementation. This function can be implemented using various logic functions. The main application is We can select which line input line to be transmitted to the single output line. That is the major applications of a multiplexer. Thank you.